Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Guitar Hero on a controller. First, let's talk about mapping your standard gamepad buttons to mimic the guitar's fretboard and strum bar. This simple setup allows you to enjoy the game without a specialized guitar peripheral. We'll cover the essential steps to get you rocking in no time, making sure you understand the core mechanics for a smooth transition. Setting up your controller is straightforward. Imagine the 5 fret buttons on a guitar. You'll assign each of these to a distinct button on your gamepad, like the face buttons. For the strum bar, a trigger or shoulder button works perfectly, simulating the up and down motion. This mapping creates a familiar feel, allowing you to focus on the music and hit those notes. Once your controller is set, it's time to master the gameplay. Focus on hitting notes precisely in rhythm with the song. Don't forget the whammy bar. Mapping it to another button can add flair and boost your score. Activating star power at strategic times, especially during long note streaks, is key to achieving those impressive high scores and dominating the leaderboards. For advanced play, experiment with various button layouts to find what feels most comfortable and efficient for you. Sometimes a slight adjustment can make a huge difference in your performance. Also, dive into the game settings to fine-tune responsiveness and calibration, ensuring every note registers perfectly. And speaking of staying on top of your game, remember to check the description for a link to a great water bottle and other fantastic deals to keep you energized during those long sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.